Now, many of you already know that last week NIO did an official pre-launch of the ES8 or all-new ES8 NT 3.0 build on 900V architecture, which the starting price, you already know that it's around 308,000 with battery as a service. When you are buying it with a battery, that is the starting price. But if you are buying it with a battery, price starts at around 416,000 RMB. Now, you will know that NIO, it is the company that, regardless of the number of orders or pre-orders they get on the model, they never really disclose those figures, which is why to date we have not really heard of NIO disclosing the figures of their six-seater sub-brand ONVO L90. This is how they do their things. They don't want to disclose. They've been asked to disclose, but obviously NIO's executive has been pretty rigid on the fact that they don't disclose that. They only disclose something that is audited, and that is the official deliveries that they get to report on a month-to-month, which is something that is great. Now, however, with the NIO ES8 and the ONVO L90, you will know that we did get some information as to where they are sitting at in terms of the orders or the pre-orders. I mean, the ONVO L90 right now, it is with no doubt that the orders of the L90, it's over 60,000. NIO has received over 60,000 of their ONVO sub-brand model L90, which is absolutely great. We know about that. Now, on Saturday, if not Sunday, in fact it was yesterday, the pre-orders of the all-new ES8 just got also leaked. These are still rumors, but it looks like there are quite a number of sources that are confirming this figure of the pre-orders that the ES8 received. You will know that this car, again, it's not cheap. It starts at 416,000 RMB with a battery, and these orders that I want to give you, or that just got leaked, I want you to have that picture in mind of the price or the starting price of this model. Now, without wasting any more of your time, NIO apparently, this is also confirmed today by Electric Brothers, which is why I'm sharing it with you. They've received, or as of Saturday, they had over 30,000 pre-orders of the NIO ES8. Now, this is very, very good, especially looking at the fact that starting price of the ES8, it's over 416,000 RMB. In fact, it's 416,800 RMB, which is absolutely great, and it shows us that we have got some massive demand of orders of this car, and this is what is even making the market in China, in US, in Singapore to react the way it is, because look, it is about to go down. People thought the L90 was going to be the magic the model for NIO, but it appears that maybe not. The ES8 might be the one to really do the trick for NIO here, which is something that is very, very exciting. I mean, over the weekend, I shared some photos of exactly what's happening onto almost 400 stores of NIO, where the exhibition cars of this model ES8 are. I mean, it has been like so crazy. I mean, there are some stores that were closing at 3 a.m. in the morning, which is something that shows you the massive demand that this model or this SUV will have. I mean, I'm very excited about this, which is why I decided to come and cover this content for you here. But of course, maybe before I continue, I will just kindly request you to like this video, to subscribe if you have not done so, because YouTube is still telling me that some of you guys who are watching are not subscribing. You are just watching and you are forgetting to subscribe. So please do subscribe, hit that notification bell, like this video, because all day, every day, I give you NIO's latest content, latest developments, and today I'm giving you the pre-orders that as of Saturday, the ES8 was standing at, which is 30,000. This is something that is just so great. So 30,000 is what NIO was standing at on Saturday, but remember now it's Monday. Today is Monday, right? I can tell you now the orders have been continuing to grow. Who knows? They are at 40, 50,000 right now, but we don't want to go there. What's exciting me the most is that, look, a lot of people are locking their orders or are pre-ordering this car before the official launch, before they could go and test drive this car. Remember, there's a difference. There's a lot of people, or when a vehicle is launched, it's not many people that will just go during the pre-order and go order that car. Some people are waiting for that car to be open for test drive so that they can go and really feel the difference when they are driving the car. And this is very important. And knowing that the test drive have not opened, it means that the moment test drive open for the NIO ES8, guess what, my friends? More orders are going to come, and when more orders come, you and me can agree that this car has got a potential to have more orders than the ONVO L90. I mean, the president of NIO has already confirmed that the pre-orders of the ES8 has surpassed the pre-orders of the ONVO L90, which is something that is just so great, right? ES8, I don't think a lot of people were expecting it to get so much attention. We knew that the car would do so, would do well, but not like this, which is why the market it's also reacting the way it is, because a lot of people now see the bigger picture of NIO to say that NIO is back, NIO means business, and NIO is going to get to profitability because of these two models, ES8 and the L90, which is absolutely great, something that exciting and makes me to look forward to what's coming. Remember, the NT 3.0 cars under NIO are only 3 at the moment, right? Is the ET9, is this ES8, and the L90. It's also built on the NT 3.0 technology. This is absolutely great, something that gives me the confidence that, you know what, NIO will do very, very well. If already pre-orders are responding like this before the official test drive of this car, when the test drive officially open, it's going to be so crazy, it's going to be so amazing. We are going to see, of course, inflows of orders of the ES8 going to be more than probably of the L90. And let me remind you something, the price difference between the ONVO L90 and the NIO ES8, it's over 100,000 RMB. I mean, starting price of the NIO ES8 is 416,800 RMB. Starting price for the ONVO L90 is over 264,000 RMB. So there is a gap of over 100,000 RMB price difference, and I can tell you now the margins for the ES8 should be more than the margins of the L90 because of the price. But again, we are not there. Where we are is that, look, the market is reacting positively. I mean, in Hong Kong today, NIO finished trading up 53.60 HKD, whilst in Singapore, my dear friends, NIO finished trading at $6.82. Remember, in the US, NIO finished trading $6.35, and this already, it's a positive starting today, or starting the markets today. It's going to be so crazy, man. We don't know where the share price of NIO will be, but I think right now trying to time NIO, it's very, very risky, because you'll try to time it and it will obviously show you something completely different that you were not expecting. Also in terms of the share price itself, NIO has been beaten down, and right now we are seeing its share price recovering. Who knows, we might get to $10 just when you least expect it, which is something that we look forward to. So yeah, my friends, like, share, subscribe. I just thought I'd come and quickly give you these updates. Tell me what you think about this. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.